Imagine this, you wake up, grab your phone, and see money rolling in. Sounds like a dream, right? It's not. That's the power of passive income, and YouTube automation is your ticket to this reality. Now, you might be thinking, YouTube? Isn't that about being on camera all the time? Nope, not anymore. YouTube automation allows you to earn without ever showing your face or even creating your own videos. It's about building a system that consistently generates income while you focus on what matters most to you. Think of it like owning a business. You hire the right people to do the work, and the profits roll in, even while you sleep. That's the beauty of YouTube automation. You're building an asset that works for you 24/7, 365 days a year. This is your chance to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and achieve true financial freedom. Are you ready to unlock the potential of YouTube automation and start earning passive income today? Ready to dive in? Let's break down the steps to building your very own automated YouTube cash machine. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Your niche is the foundation of your channel, so pick something you'll enjoy working on. Second, content creation is king. This is where outsourcing comes in. Find skilled freelancers to create high-quality videos based on your chosen niche. Remember, engaging content is key. Third, optimize like a pro. Think of YouTube as a search engine. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make sure your content gets seen. Fourth, thumbnails that pop. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. Make it eye-catching and compelling to entice viewers to click. Fifth, upload and schedule. Consistency is key on YouTube. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it. Sixth, monetize and profit. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can start earning through ads, sponsorships, and even your own products or services. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with the right strategy and consistent work, you'll be well on your way to earning passive income from your videos. Here's the secret sauce of YouTube automation outsourcing. It's the key to freeing up your time and scaling your channel without limits. Think about it. Do you need to be the one writing scripts, editing videos, or creating graphics? Not at all. You can find talented freelancers to handle every aspect of your channel, from content creation to video editing and even social media promotion. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are gold mines for finding skilled professionals at various price points. Remember to clearly communicate your vision and expectations to your freelancers to ensure high-quality work. By outsourcing, you're essentially building a team that works tirelessly behind the scenes to grow your channel. This allows you to focus on the bigger picture, refining your strategy, exploring new opportunities, and enjoying the fruits of your passive income stream. Reaping the rewards, the irresistible benefits of YouTube automation. Why are more and more people choosing YouTube automation? Let's count the ways. Scalability. Unlike a traditional job with limited earning potential, YouTube automation allows you to scale your income exponentially. The more high-quality videos you have, the more views and ad revenue you generate. Passive income stream. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. That's the beauty of passive income, and YouTube automation makes it a reality. No camera, no problem camera shy, no worries. With YouTube automation, you can build a successful channel without ever showing your face. Long-term revenue. Once your videos are up and running, they can continue to generate income for months, even years to come. It's like creating a valuable asset that keeps on giving. Low startup costs. Compared to traditional businesses, starting a YouTube channel is incredibly affordable. All you really need is a computer and an internet connection. Exponential growth potential. As your channel gains traction, your videos can go viral, attracting millions of views and skyrocketing your income potential. With so many benefits, it's no wonder YouTube automation is becoming the go-to online business model for aspiring entrepreneurs worldwide. Navigating the challenges, staying ahead in the YouTube game. While YouTube automation offers incredible opportunities, it's important to be aware of the challenges and how to overcome them. Finding reliable freelancers. Not all freelancers are created equal. It's crucial to thoroughly vet potential hires, checking their portfolios and reviews to ensure they can deliver high-quality work. Maintaining quality control. Don't sacrifice quality for quantity. Regularly review your videos to ensure they meet your standards and resonate with your target audience. YouTube algorithm changes. YouTube is constantly evolving its algorithm. Stay informed about these changes and adapt your strategies accordingly to maintain your channel's visibility. Initial time investment. While YouTube automation is about generating passive income, it does require an initial time investment to set up your channel, outsource tasks, and optimize your videos. Remember, success on YouTube takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of online video. Embrace the future of online earning with YouTube automation. YouTube automation is more than just a trend. It's a paradigm shift in how we view work and income generation. It's about leveraging technology, creativity, and strategic outsourcing to build a sustainable online business that empowers you to live life on your own terms. The beauty of YouTube automation lies in its flexibility and accessibility. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for a side hustle, YouTube automation provides a low-cost, high-reward opportunity to achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and unlock the limitless potential of YouTube automation? The journey starts today. Take that first step and watch as your automated income stream becomes a reality.